Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this Insoma Wi-Fi dual sprinkler timer. This is a very sophisticated device, has all the options, everything which we can expect from a Wi-Fi sprinkler system. So it has two outlets which we can control and program individually. Comes even with a base station to give you maximum wireless reach and to reduce the battery consumption of this device. So this can last up to 1 year or so. It is even compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Voice. So on top of the schedule which you can add on the free app, you can use voice commands on Google app or on Alexa to start or stop the timer at any time. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you everything what you get, and then how to connect it to the app, install outside, and how to use it. And so here's the box again with the specs here in the back and the model type, model name, and also some specs here again on the side. Really a lot of information, but we get much more information here in the instructions manual. I hope you can see everything. It's not much, but I think still enough to get a little bit more information for you. And here's the setup, and I think everything in the app is pretty much straightforward. Apart from that, not too difficult to use. So here we have the device, looks really good, solid, makes a good impression. It's important for outside so it won't rust. There's no open metal to see. Really nice matte black and gray finish. Here we have two buttons for the two outlets. Just make sure that you're not screwing this into an outlet with a pressure release valve with this sharp nail here inside, otherwise it could destroy this strainer. And the device comes with standard 3/4 of an inch inlet and outlets, but on top of that we get also two quick release adapters, also even with some Teflon tape if you have some problems, but usually it shouldn't be a problem. We can just remove it and attach it down here. Then we can use these quick connectors. Absolutely perfect. Of course, always make sure that we have these seal rings here in place, but they were already added here. And so in the back we have this opening for the batteries. Batteries are not included. By the way, here's the base station. The base station doesn't need any battery, but of course we have to plug it into 110 volts. And so we are adding these batteries here. Close it again. Very nice that we don't need any screws. And then it's time to scan the QR code and download the app from the Android Play Store or Apple App Store. It's the Smart Life app which a lot of devices are using. That's also one of the big advantages. So you can see I have already a ton of devices connected to this app. It's a really nice app, so also a good thing. And so we plug the base here into 110 volts and we click on plus. Make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. We click on add a device. We see the light is green blinking. Let's try with this cover device. Here we have to enter the Wi-Fi password for the router. It has nothing to do with these devices. Just password for your normal Wi-Fi router. And it has found the gateway. That's the gateway here. So we click on it. It says it's being added. And we get the green check mark. Everything is done. But of course now we have to add this device to the gateway. It goes automatically to this side. We click on add a device. Search for devices. And to connect we have to insert the batteries new or we long press for 6 seconds. Then it goes into blinking, which means connecting. We confirm that the lights are flashing. Discover nearby devices. Let's hope it finds it automatically. It says one device has been added successfully and we have already the smart dual water timer. It's absolutely fantastic. So no manual connection was needed. Everything fully automatically detected. Yeah, this is as good as it gets. This is how we want it. As you can see, we have even the weather forecast here. We have the two zones. Of course, we can also open and close the valves directly from here. When we click here, you can see we get even confirmation on the app. I push here and instantly I get confirmation that zone 1 is opened, but I can close it, of course, again. And of course, same thing with zone 2. We click here, we get notification that it's open. By the way, we can see it also down here with the water drop that it's open. That's good indication. And then we click again, it closes here, and it will also show another picture so you know it's closed. We have also battery indicator, but we can also open, close it from here. We push here, it will open left side, push here, open right side, totally individually open, close from here. Can add a countdown, then it will just start and run for a certain time. We can add schedule from here with the plus. We have a timed water schedule or a cyclic water schedule where it opens and closes a couple of times. We have also a snow and rain delay for a couple of days. If you know it has been raining or snowing, it will also show you the next planned irrigation time. And we can also show the irrigation records for each side. You can see when and how long it has been open. And then we have more options here on top. We have some more automation, device information. We can share the device. By the way, we can add up to 32 of these devices and connect them with this bridge. We have directly the info, FAQ, everything, and we can connect it to Alexa or Google Assistant. We click here, and so we are being asked if we want to link it to Alexa. We just click here on link, and it says it's linked already because I had this app already linked. But if it's not, it will do it now. Very easy. And of course, we can do the same thing with the Google Assistant. When you're using an assistant, I highly recommend to give these two sprinkler or automatic irrigation openings a name which Google and Alexa can easily understand. Here I have set the one to sprinkler zone 1 and the other one to sprinkler zone 2. And so here we are on the Google Assistant. We can just click here to open, same thing as in the app. You get even confirmation. But of course now we can use the voice command. Hey Google, turn on sprinkler zone 1.
Okay, sprinkler zone 1 on.
And of course we can also turn it off same way. Hey Google, turn off sprinkler zone 1.
Sure, sprinkler zone 1 off.
Or maybe you are traveling in your car and just want to know the status of the sprinkler, so you can ask the assistant, hey Google, is the sprinkler zone 1 on or off?
Sprinkler zone 1 is off.
Okay, absolutely awesome. This is as easy as ever possible. Total new level of comfort to use such a sprinkler or irrigation system. And so I had it also outside, connected it already to the faucet outside, and everything was working really good. Everything super tight and worked exactly as I wanted. Opening and closing the two faucets individually or together or whatsoever, scheduled from here or with the assistant or whatsoever. So I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.